Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today we're going to make a gift bag. This version doesn't require glue or scissors, just paper. In these examples, I used A4 size sheets, but you can adjust the size as you like. Our first step is to divide it into 3 horizontal sections. You can use a ruler if you like, or any other method that works for you, but I find it much easier to fold the paper this way, curving it into an S shape. Then just align the layers carefully and press the sides to create 2 small marks. With the marks in place, return the paper to its original position, and using these marks as a guide, fold the bottom edge to mark 1/3 of the paper. Unfold it, and do the same for the top edge. You can now use the line we just made as a guide, by folding the top edge down. Now the paper is divided into 3 nearly equal parts. For the next step, fold the top right corner. Do the same with the opposite corner. Now, using these corners as a guide, fold the right side to the edge of the left corner. Unfold it, repeat the same process on the left side, you'll see that we now have 3 squares in the middle. Flip the paper over. Now fold something like an X connecting the corners of the bottom square and also the top square. Start with the bottom square, bringing the left side up to the top crease. Then unfold it and fold the opposite diagonal. Do the same with the top square. Once that's done, flip the paper over and unfold the 2 corners. Now we're ready to turn this into a box. Start by folding 1/3 of the bottom section. Next, using one of the diagonals from the X, fold the right side over the middle square. This turns the square into a triangle. Then do the same on the left side, folding the triangle in half. This step closes one side of the box. For the other side, repeat the same process, but it might take a bit more patience. As before, fold one side, closing the square. Then fold the triangle in half, bringing the other side to the correct direction. Once both sides are closed, adjust the paper to align everything and make it as neat as possible. After that, gently press the sides to shape the paper bag. As a finishing touch, fold part of the top edges to close it. If one fold isn't enough to keep it closed, you can fold it again for extra security. And that's it! You've just made a paper bag without using glue or scissors. It's a simple design that makes any gift extra special. Thank you so much for watching, see you in the next video!